Hi everyone, I am Anagha from Access Language School, and in this video let us discuss about conjunctions. Now conjunctions are those words or phrases which generally function as an adhesive or a glue in order to hold together words, independent clauses or phrases. Now depending upon its function, conjunctions are broadly divided into three categories. Those are coordinating, subordinating and correlative. Now what do you mean by coordinating conjunctions? Coordinating conjunctions are those words which generally joins together two independent clauses, words or phrases. Now depending upon its function, it has been classified into 7 types. First one is for. For is usually used to state a purpose or a reason. Second one is and. And is used to join two broken fragments. Third one is nor. Now, nor is used in order to state a negative idea against an already stated negative idea. Next one is but. But, as you all know, is used to display a contrast. Then after that, we have yet. Yet is used to display a negative idea in support of a earlier expressed statement or an opinion. Then we have or. Or is used to state an alternative or a choice. And finally, we have so. So, as you all know, which is used to show an effect of something. And next one, that is the subordinating conjunctions. What do you mean by subordinating conjunctions? They are again those conjunctions or dependent clauses which usually appear at the beginning of a sentence. For example, although, however, and so on. And the final one is correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions usually appear in pairs and they are used at different parts of the sentence like either, or, neither, nor, but, and so on. So these are the 3 general categories of conjunctions which you may come across whenever you go through a sentence in writing or whenever you're speaking or reading or anything it may be. So next time you get a sentence or a paragraph, try to analyze these types of conjunctions. I hope it was useful and informative. Thank you.